In this comprehensive guide to will scrap welding project, we will develop into the exciting world of welding, exploring the variety of engaging and achievable projects suitable for beginners and hobbyists for crafting practical items like custom shelves and tools organized to creating unique artisans pieces. We will cover the aesthetic of welding equipment, safety measures, and fundamental techniques. Join us on step by step journey as we walk you through each project, providing clear instruction and valuable tips to ensure your success. Either you are novice welder looking to hone your skills for an experienced hobbyist seeking fresh inspiration, the tutorials promises to ensuring the rewarding welding experience. So grab your welding gear for the torch and embark on your exciting journey to creativity and craftsmanship. Either you are a hobbyist looking to expand the skills to your enthusiast care to embark on fulfilling project, these tutorials will guide you step by step from selecting the right materials and understanding the principles of welding. Exciting, precise, clean welds. We will cover its additionally. We will discuss safety measures, share for tips to optimal results, and highlight potential challenge with troubleshooting advice. We will only have to complete welding project but also newfound confidence in your welding abilities. Get ready to ignite your creativity and join on the welding journey. From welding machines to safety gear, ensuring you will equip the success. Step by step instruction will walk you through the entire process, detailing the precise techniques needed to create a steady and aesthetically pleasing welding structure. Either you are crafting custom metal shells, decorative art pieces, and functional components for halls, uses these projects serve as ideal starting point of those venturing into the world of welding. Expect insightful tips, troubleshooting advice, and pro level insights that will elevate your welding proficiency. You will have to confidence of your welding abilities. Either you are beginners looking to explore the world of welding in the experienced enthusiast seeking to refine your skills, this tutorial is meet your need. We will start discussing the necessary equipment and materials, guiding your selection process to ensure optimal results. From safety precautions, welding machine settings, we will cover aspect of graduate techniques, breaking down step and facilities to clear understanding. Throughout the tutorials, we will practical tip and trick to enhance your welding precious and now to apply the required skills to create functional and aesthetically pleasing pieces with detailed explanation and visual aids. This tutorial aims to empower both novice and how to welding journey other craftsmanship meet creativity and turn your welding aspiration into reality. Either you are obvious to budding welder looking to expand your skills. This project promises an engaging journey. We will cover essential welding techniques, safety protocols, materials consideration, ensuring you seamless and authentic welding experience from selecting the right welding machines and mastering various joint types. Addition, we will cover creative aspect allowing you to infuse your personal touch into the project with the famous optimization, efficiency and safety with the source of embarking on successful small scale welding and over. We will go to cover the method of your project and troubleshoot common issue along the way with focus and safety pressures and tutorials ensure that you can not only complete your welding project successfully but also gain valuable insight into the science of welding. Get ready to transform raw materials into finished masterpieces with the detail. Thank you so much for watching this video.